So you're relocating and you don't know anyone where you're moving, and that can be scary, I know. And I know that you're an adult and you know how to meet people, but I'm Kimmy Rolfe of Berkshire Hathaway, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of help with a few ideas that you can do to meet people more quickly. And remember, if you relocated to a city where there are a lot of new people coming in, they probably feel like you do, and they want to meet new people too. So try not to overthink some of my suggestions. I know that introducing yourself to the people next door, your new neighbors, can be a little awkward at first, but it helps you not only get some local insight on your new location, but also might help you make some new friends. Talk to your new coworkers if you're starting in a new job. If you're relocating away from family, building a support network of new friends and neighbors will help you fight the loneliness. Make sure your children and pets are acclimatized to their new surroundings. Get involved in the community. Now that you've settled in and you're unpacked, met new neighbors, and discovered what is around your new home, it's time to make a new routine. Volunteering at a retirement home or an animal shelter, joining a gym, church, book club, or just getting out there and exploring will help you feel like a local and avoid homesickness. If you've got children, think about activities that you can enroll them in so that you can get acclimated to their new home and have an easier time meeting new friends. And so you can also meet the parents and make friends yourself. What sports or activities can you enroll them in? Can you put them in a neighborhood meet and greet that is kid friendly? There are a lot of ways to meet people, and it doesn't have to be weird. Most likely the people you are meeting are in the same boat as you are, and they will be thrilled that you reached out. I'm Kimmy Rolfe with Berkshire Hathaway Fox and Roach. Feel free to reach out to us with the other resources, and when you're considering relocating, Kimmy Rolfe sells the main line and local areas.